Gaza Nation, what Vybz Kartel say is a total sin. I make you know why I say that in a minute. But here we are going. I see some local man I say right now 10 star every video you do. You call Alkaline name and you put intense in your video. Gaza Nation. Nobody did go over CMR or CV channel and tell them say don't put Vybz Kartel name in a them video. Okay. I'm going to 10 star them shit. Alright. Fear. You know what I say? When you can't scream record me, right? When you can't? Okay. Get on a pen and paper and copy this because the last time I go say this. Let me tell you something. You know the reason why the riot between Gaza and Vendetta can't stop? Eh? And a body wash put Gaza up on top. What? At the world, it's not a plan. Watch what go on, you know, carefully. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10 star general. You don't know when I come for represent, you don't know a full effect. You don't know what go already, you know. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, no man. Hey, yo, are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right now, the world boss saying, it's a crime, shame, because here we are going. The lollipop blogger them, I help kill Alkaline career. You see me? I stifle it. Because from 2016-17, them claim them have this miraculous moving for move Vybz Kartel from the king of dancehall and Alkaline take over. And all know it can't happen. 2016-17 was the best year in a dancehall. And like how him use Vybz Kartel style, pose and everything, black name, eye, tattoo out and all of these things. And get the notarizing from dancehall that people can listen to him and him have him own fan base. They should have stopped the blogger them and tell them stop call up your name with Kartel name because Alkaline your name, you know name Kartel. That's where I deal with and start the thing by yourself. You know what I mean? Meaning that you don't mix up with Vybz Kartel name because you cannot run so fast and quick. Yes, so I deal with and you can't match him intensity. So when you can't match him intensity, you know, that's what you're gonna get from the dancehall public. Them are gonna bash you. You know what I mean? If them did allow you, make you do your own thing and rise up in a year time, in your own time and your own space, it won't look so bad. But them want put you with a man who travel at lightning pace. And you can't manage the split nor the fraction. That's what I deal with, it's not for you. That's what I deal with, what them do a big nickel your career. That's what I deal with, if them never put a name with Vybz Kartel, nobody who know watch you right now. Furthermore, people that say you do good, you know what I mean? Say I look at you. No, but them want put you in a position where you can't fit. That's what I deal with. Your foot too small for them big boot there. You see what I deal with? And then a gimmicks business. And them nah see that. You think them a see that? But when them done, them want chat up their mouth and chat about this and that. A stifle the youth career. You no continue. I wanna go see what gonna happen. No continue with the same shit. I wanna see what gonna happen. Because the delusion and all live off, you know. That one now can't pass Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel done do him work already in a dancehall, you know. Him legacy a top shit, you know. Right now Kartel now have to sing another song in a history, you know, youth. The work already done already, you know. The reason why Vybz Kartel can't quit dancehall right about now, you know. If him do that dancehall drop down and dead and him now go do that. Because him name dancehall. You see me, I him name Mr. Dancehall, and him tell you say it can't stall. You see what me I deal with? So it's a sin for real to what them a do to the local youth. The vendetta blogger them and him stand up and watch them a do it. You know see say it now work. How long it now work now? You know stop. You can't do the same thing every day and expect different result. But you get up and do the same thing every day and expect different result. You know a clown or what? Right now, you know, me hear some man, you know, you start chatting up their mouth, you know, about popcorn. You see what I deal with? Right now, today them see the big news pop out. You see what I deal with? Maroon 5. I slap popcorn, slap with a remix. No lollipop thing. You see me? These are the moves where the youth supposed to make. Moves like them supposed to make in a dancehall for stamping name concrete in a dancehall. You're not Vybz Kartel youth. You're not. You're Alkaline. You're not. You have to be who you is. You're not Vybz Kartel. You're not capable of such. You're not capable of such intensity. So why you play the game? Why you bear the name and you not play the game? Why? Why are you bearing this big name and you're not playing the game? Because the work not there for sure nothing what them look a lollipop blogger saying. The work not there for sure. If the work is there for sure, nobody couldn't say nothing at all. Right now, you know, me see some blogger run out and I say, oh Skilly Bang, not for run now. Him for answer because Intense want him. And Intense say, and him want clash him. Paper. You don't believe that? It wasn't Intense was the one who they over Instagram and threw a word pan Skilly Bang and still go do song half for him. But anyway, I don't ever go too far in that because the blogger them a ball and a beg for them subscriber to tell them say a good song Intense though. Fuckery! Fuckery! It sound like a whole heap of rain a fall upon some zinc fence. You know what I mean? But me not go too much in that because me tell you already a 2021 me a game. 2 full year in the business. So make me say if him not go upgrade from that because right now no new artists out for bust in the business, you know. Wanna see how Tyrical go on. I wanna see how Bobby 6 go on. Plus some more youth from the 6. Anytime the people them take on to none of them new voice there in a dancehall in a total different thing. And me I go see if him not go make the transition from a baby artist into a big artist now. You see what I deal with? Because him now can hold that position no more when them look at youth yeah, start get them highlight. Them have to get them highlight just like how him get fame on. So here me I say to you know, right about now you know, the song with Skilly Bang drop you know, Crocodile Teeth you know, outclass whatever song where him a try to put up you know. Me no know which producer and voicer, and me no know if him friend them now listen or whatever, and nobody will check for him. Nah, listen, look like him not have nobody will check for him, you know. If you tell him, say, yo, that a total fucker, you can't put up that as a war song against the man, you know, my brother. That a total fucker unless you want him kill you. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks, not there in it. You see what I deal with? But here what I say, ladies. Right now, you know, me need uno for stream. It's a sin. You know what I mean? Because it's a crying sin. You see what I deal with? And here what go on. You see the Dance and Diva album? I need uno for stream it. Remember a couple more months left for the year finish. Remember most of all a Grammy settings the boss I deal with. So here I say. You see uno sexy girl will love try that. Can you not broke cock and set it back? Alright. Before you broke off the man them cock and set it back, make sure you stop the Dance and Diva upon streaming as me say, a Grammy settings, the world boss I deal with, and a lollipop thing, and I don't want to ever forget that. Because the year soon finished. So just make sure you don't stream the hell out of Dance of Diva. You see what I deal with? And make sure you don't stream sin. No gimmicks not in it. You see what I deal with? You know I represent already in a full effect thing. You see me? You know the world boss thing a top class, first class. You can't pass that. You know what I mean? And as me hear Shotty Wally, where that take the interview on stage and them make Winford know say right now if vybz Kartel for come to Africa, him say to the coming like the coming of Christ. That's what him say, you know. Right now you hear man pan JA radio call Alkaline the Messiah. You believe that? Say when vybz Kartel say anything we do, them follow. If we not shit, them can't name. Each them want each and a money cap on him. A blast feeling that, you hear me? Shatta Wally never say. Shatta Wally never blaspheme himself, you know. Him say it would have come in like. It would have come in like. Him never say it was. Nor it is. You hear what me I say? So this look a dude peck, or this look a shisky bag, or Mr. Shit Up Willie where they on J area the program attack lollipop thing. Watch your mouth, cause blaspheme yourself, you know. I remember saying, you know, words are powerful thing, you know. Mind what you do to yourself, you know. You see what I deal with? You know how much people they on J area they live where they attack your fuckery. Watch your mouth, you know. When you do anything to try to put the artist alongside the man, and he can't be. He have to be who he is. He's Hernan Barkley. He's Alkaline in the end of the day. He's not vybz Kartel. He's not the world boss, and he can't be like vybz Kartel. And then a joke thing me I talk about. You have people resemble, but you don't have no two people alike, my brother. Not even identical twin. So a gimmicks thing we not deal with. So as me I say Gaza Nation, make sure we go stream the news with them. And don't forget to stream Sika Rhyme song, because Sika Rhyme tough him song bad. And these bloggers where you hear around and I talk about intense. Skilly bang for answer him. You know why me say the music a living fuckery? Because Intent supposed to answer Sika Rhyme. Or him come up on him own base, take over him town and do big video in up there, and him have to run where. Yes, so when I deal with, come and finalize that thing. The people them want to know what you did there when the video shoot are go on. Yes, so when I deal with, the people them not hear from that. I know you not clean up the gesture there, but you run go and do this song for Skilly Bang. Nobody no want to hear that. The people them want to know where were you when the video shoot going on, because you act like you know tough and you that act like you know bad and wicked and I throw a word in a song and I go on wicked. So the people them need to know where you was when the video shoot going on. You not address that yet. So you can't run go to Skilly Bang with no fucker. And that me I talk about. Me not hear no blogger ask, you know, oh you run from Sika Rhyme and Savage. But them quick fair tell you about a hope Skilly Bang now wave white flag. You saw them can cheer it. Oh, what you want to say? Sika Rhyme not in your league or that more here say. Sika Rhyme have billboard hits. American billboard hits. You see what I deal with? Him dep on the reggae billboard hits too. You hear me I say? And Sika Rhyme stream more than your on Spotify. So I don't know gimmicks bumbuckler business. So I don't know how you left for address that and run gone to Skilly Bang right now. And blogger talk about your song wicked, and a big subscriber to say your song wicked. Your song weak, my brethren, and your intention weak to answer that. We need to know where you was. You was really a skate for your hand and skate out of the community. Yo, or the general, the 10-star one I represent. Watch. A Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. 10-star. General. Watch.